Hey everybody, it's been a long time since I've posted anything, so I wanted to post some stuff, what I've been doing. Look how dark out it is, and it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just been raining today. So I've been videotaping all of my Inktober stuff, and I will make a video for that after I'm done. I've bought some pens for that, and I bought some paintbrushes for my ink pens blocks. And let me see, what else did I get? I also got this pen set. So for calligraphy or drawing, but I'm too afraid to use it because I'm still learning and I haven't done much pen work. I also got some ink to use. Let me see, what else have I gotten? Oh, here. It's almost like an unboxing. I got this palette for my watercolors and my acrylics. So I'm going to be doing some acrylic stuff. And let me see. Oh, yes, I got the koi. Let me open it up and show you. I really like this koi set. Sorry, I'm the worst video person ever. Just open. Anyway, on the back, it has this piece here. You can put your thumb through. Well, there you go. Put your thumb through. So you can hold it while you watercolor. Oh, hold on. Let me set this down. Okay, I got it. I know, I make everybody dizzy. I like it has this little... Okay, so it has this nice little tray that I can mix my paints in. And it can fit over here. You can fit here. You can put it here. You can put it here. You can set it right here. And then you can put it there. You can hold everything up with a thumb thing. You put your picture right here. And look at all the watercolors it comes with. And then to clean, you got your brush to hold your water. And your sponges over here. So I really like this kit to take and go out on the trail so I can go paint. So let me see, what else did I get? I also got this hot pink holder. I have most of my pencil work stuff over there. I'm going to be doing a time lapse of that raccoon. I'm not quite finished yet. And there's my light pink tray, so I got all my paints there, and then hot pink holds all my pencil stuff. What else? Let me see. I'm going to be moving in 3 weeks, so we'll see how much I can get done. So, that's it.